Hello kids, now today we are making another experiment and it's called the Bouncy Egg, and this is another video of Mehroz's lab. And now let's get started. And first I need to tell you all of the ingredients we need. We got green food coloring because I like green, and we use a spoon, a jar, and an egg and vinegar. And then we're going to put the egg inside the jar, and then we should leave it here for 24 hours. And in the morning we can wake up and then it can be bouncy. So let's get started. We can start with the green food coloring. So first we do that. That, and then we put that, and now we are putting vinegar. Closing the cap and leave it for 2400 hours. Sorry kids, it's going to take for 24 hours, so let's leave it. Hello kids, so we're at the same place and it's raining outside, but that's okay, we're still okay. And we are on the table, and we got the bouncy egg here. In so many hours, we're going to open the lid. And first, we're going to get out all of the water. See that egg? And I'll take it home. That's the bouncy egg, everybody. See? And it's green. Because we put the green color in, so it's like a little bit dark. See? And now we're going to put it here. Just be bounce carefully like this, and do not let it break. And if you want, we put it here. You see? So it's all green in my hand. So shiny. And if you want to break, and if you don't want to have it, then you can break it. Anymore, you can drop it on the floor and break. And if you keep wanting it and it's so cool, you cannot break it and put it inside a tissue paper for later, and then in the morning you can just play with it. So bye.